guys, you always watch the video, but you always forget to like the video. Please like the video. Please like the video. And please remember to subscribe. Hey guys, welcome once again to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lydiaa, and if you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome once again, and thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. And for the new ones, you're very much welcome on this channel. We do cooking, vlogs, fashion, DIYs, everything. Yeah. So thank you so much for stopping by. Yes, consider subscribing and be part of my family, my squad, my everything. So yes guys, in today's video, it's a DIY video. A friend of mine one day sent me this video of this lady on Instagram, and she was like, you can recreate this. I was like, you are sick, how? But I was like, okay, let me find a way, I will let you know. So I went on, I took long, but finally I did it. I made the dress. And guys, let me know, watch the video till the end, because you'll just be surprised. I was like, girl, I didn't know that I was this talented. But okay, you'll be the judges. So first of all, let me show you guys how I made the dress, then show you how you can design the dress in 5 ways. How you can design, or how you can wear, how you can rock the dress in 5 different ways, and maybe a bonus one. So now guys, go see how I made the dress, and see you once you are done.
I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail, and I'm losing your mind, and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this love, cause I'm a prisoner. I just want to look my way and never back to you. Follow your trail, and I'm losing your mind, and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this love, cause I'm a prisoner. I just want to look my way and never back to you.
inside of something real. But somehow I lost you on the way. I assumed you left me behind. Lifeless days and sleepless nights, so tired of it. I can't get you off my mind, can't forget it. Now I know what I've got to do is find my way back to you.
So this is the dress, guys. This is the first way that you can put the dress on. What do you guys think? How is the dress, guys? I thought it's going to be a little bit longer, but I guess I fell in taking the measurement because I started from here and not just here. So you can close it this way. Yes, 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 yes. Let me know, guys, what do you think about the dress? So you can put it on this way, add your accessories, earrings if you want. Yeah, this is the second way you can put the dress on. And I guess it's better if you have a boob tape. I don't have a boob tape, so I'm using a bra. But if you have a boob tape, it's gonna be perfect for your boobs. Yeah, but I have a bra, not a boob tape. So yes, guys, let me know, guys, what do you think about the dress? And I guess you guys know these shoes we made last time. Yeah, okay. So it's good if you have a boob tape, but I have a bra. This way and the back. This is the easiest DIY I've ever made. The shoes one are usually complicated, the bags one are usually hard, but this one is like the easiest. The hard part was just like to sew, maybe, yeah. And this dress took me around 2 hours, yeah, to make. Yeah, just 2 hours. And here you have your dress, but if you take it to a tailor, it can take maybe just 30 minutes, even 15 minutes. This one is the easiest one. So yeah. And another thing, I gave myself hips that I don't have. So you can see that I wish it was like, but it's okay. Yeah, so I just gave myself hips that I don't have. So yeah, this is the second way you can put the dress on. Boob tapes will be perfect. So now let's move on to the third one. have so many options when you make this dress. Aki, thank you so much, Ibo, for challenging me to do this dress. Aki, that's why it's so nice to have friends who believes in you more than you do believe in yourself. When she sent me the videos, like, this girl has too much faith, she's crazy. But look at me now, I'm rocking the dress. So guys, please tag me in any Ankara cloth or design that you see on Instagram, so that we see if we can recreate the dress or not. Thank you so much, Ibo. Yeah, guys, tag me on your Ankara outfits on Instagram and let's see if we can recreate those outfits DIYs just here. Voila. Now let's move on to the fourth way. I'm just going to share 5 ways, but there are so many ways you can style your dress. So now let's move on to the fourth one. This is the third or the fourth? Yeah, the fourth. Okay, I guess it's the fourth way now. Yeah, this is the fourth way. I'm just going to show you guys 5 ways you can put your dress on. So, yeah. You're the keeper from the top. It is you that holds us together. This is the 5th way. Or if you don't, this one to go down. So yes guys, this is the 5th way you can put your dress on. So yes, there are so many ways you can put a dress on. So many ways. So thank you so much for watching. I guess this is the end of the video, guys. Yeah, I guess this is the end of the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe, and let me know in the comment section which one was your favorite, like which design was your favorite. Let me know in the comment section. So I guess this is the end, guys. Thank you so much. Remember to subscribe and make sure you watched all the ads. If you didn't, go back and rewatch the video so that you can watch the ads again. So thank you so much, guys, for stopping by and for watching. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think about the dress. So that is it for today. Bye. I know I said that was the last one, but I've decided to give you guys a bonus. So this is the last one. So guys, you have so many ways to design this dress. So this is the last one, this is the bonus one, this is the bonus one. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching. And please remember to subscribe. Subscribe, like the video. Because you always watch the video, but you always forget to like the video. Please like the video. Please like the video. Please. So yeah, this is the bonus one. So thank you guys for watching. Now for real, bye.